Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to enable the hidden developer options and animations on your Android device, and you are wondering how to do so in this video, we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just get started. So what we can do is for that, we can access your device settings. So go ahead and find your settings app and open it up. And once you find your phone settings app, you just need to scroll down to the given options and look out for the option of About Phone and tap on it. Once you tap on About Phone here, you will be finding all of the available information. You can look out for the option of software information or Android version first. So you can look out for that option, tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to look out for the build number and go ahead and tap on it about 7 times. So you can just go over and tap on it and you will be finding the developer mode being enabled on your device. So once that is enabled, what you can do is you can head back, and once you head back, you can go over and find the developer options available in your main settings menu. That will be visible right at the very last option. You can go ahead and find it up. Now, in order to adjust the animations, what you can do is you can navigate to the developer options and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can basically scroll through the options and go to the developer options available. And from here, look out for the animation option, drawing option usually, and under drawing you will be finding following settings available, such as window animation scale, transition, and animator duration scale, etc. So what you can do is tap on each of the one. First of all, Windows animation scale, and you can make it to 0.5x to make them fast as twice. Or you can select the option of off as well to disable them completely and confirm it up. You can follow the same process for transition and also for the animator duration scale. And that is it. That is how you disable it. And uh, just go over and enable the animations and enable the hidden developer options on your Android device following up this method. So therefore, everybody, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.